Hello YouTube! Today I would like to show you how to install the Retrofit cruise control on Audi A4 B8 and after a coding by VCDS. Before you do anything, just remove the negative lane from your battery. Okay, the next one is need to take off the covers under the steering wheel. I show where the screws location, and we have screws behind the steering wheel on side. I'll show you as well.
I've been around and brought you down, it's true. I had some drinks and said some things to you. If I said too much, I know you're mine to lose. I had some drinks and said some things to you.
Okay, if you take off the screws, you need to lift it up your airbag and unplug the cables inside the steering wheel.
Out of touch, it's true. Don't give a fuck, actually.
In this point, we can remove the steering wheel and keep an eye the steering angle. Don't twist it around.
Actually, I do.
If you take off the steering angle, you need to cut the bottom cover under the steering wheel because you have an extra arm, which is a cruise control. Right, if the cover is already done, you need to rebuild back everything. Everything is back, so let's see a bit closer. The cruise control positions there. It looks like a factory one. The last things to do, just the coding by VCDS, but before, just put it back your negative lane to your battery. Okay, let's see the coding. Click on select, engine, coding, long coding, looking for 20, no 20, click on cruise control installed, then exit, click on do it, yes, and then coding accepted, close it, go back, then ready for the test drive. Okay, let's see how it's working. I set 20, hope you can see that on the speedo. If the car hit 20 miles per hour and I turn it on, you will see I take it off my feet from the acceleration and the green cruise symbol coming as well on the dash. Now you have cruise control on your Audi A4 B8. Thank you for watching.